Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you see this video and you're watching this video. There's a word I heard and I want to share with my beautiful community. So this word is actually from Apostle ATB Williams, and he said, this man was taken to a very beautiful house, and the house was so beautiful, and then he was like, how come this house is so beautiful and there was a crack on the house, and the angel told him that he should go fix it. Then he woke up in that dream and he had a child, a daughter that was a born-again Christian, and she said he told her about the dream he had, that he was taken to a place, and the place he was taken to, there were beautiful houses. They took him to his house. His house was so beautiful. Then he saw a crack in the house, and he told the daughter. The daughter now ministered to him that he should go and forgive whoever he's holding in his heart. And he thought of it. He said, who is he holding in his heart? He now remembered that he had a sister and he had an issue with her, because what happened, he built his house, and then there were some building materials remaining, because at that time his sister was building her own property. Then he told her that she should take the materials that are remaining and build, even if it's her boys sorry, even if it's boys quarter, that she should build her boys quarter that she can stay in. Then the sister told him that, oh, so you are the one that can build a good house, then me I build boys quarter. So because of that statement, he said, he said, that is it because I gave you I want to give you my materials that you said this kind of thing? He avoided his sister. Did he do anything wrong? No, he did absolutely nothing wrong. Everybody could reason that if this person is talking this person might have a very ill heart against me and avoid that person. But then that was a crack in his house. He had to amend that relationship. He had to call the sister after the encounter, apologize to her, even if he was right. But then the Bible says we should live at peace with all men. So whoever you're having an issue with, or whatever situation, try to release forgiveness, because forgiveness is for your own peace of mind, for your own sanity, so you wouldn't have a crack in your home, your heavenly home, as a child of God. So I'm bringing this to our attention because most of us, we have issues even with our own self. We feel that someone is showing themselves off, or we try to envy others, we try to mock at others, we try to compare. Lots of comparison in our society, and people are even going diabolic and doing all this sort of evil, and when you go to them, they tell you that they are Christian, they are child of God. So if you're a true Christian, a true child of God, know that even that little issue you have could be a crack in your house. So if this word has touched you, let me see your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.